Hey there! Have you ever wondered how businesses grow, how people make money in the stock market, or what terms like trading, dividends, and short selling actually mean? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step. Meet Jake. He owns a small coffee shop that's doing really well. But to grow, he needs more money. To buy new equipment, hire staff, and open another location. That's where the stock market comes in. Jake decides to sell shares of his company to investors. This means people can buy a small piece of his business. If his coffee shop grows, the value of those shares goes up, and investors make money. But how do people invest? Sarah loves coffee and believes Jake's business will grow. She buys shares, becoming an investor. Over time, if Jake's business does well, Sarah's shares increase in value. And there's another perk, dividends. Jake's coffee shop is making solid profits, so he decides to reward his investors with dividends, a small share of his earnings. Sarah gets paid just for holding on to her shares, but how did she even buy them? Sarah used a broker, an app that connects investors to the stock market. Brokers help people buy and sell shares quickly and easily. Now, some investors, like Sarah, hold stocks long-term, while others trade actively. Sarah is a long-term investor, but traders buy and sell stocks quickly, hoping to make fast profits. Both can make money, but trading requires constant attention and strategy. And then there's a high-risk move, short selling. A short seller believes Jake's coffee shop will fail. They borrow shares, sell them now, and hope to buy them back later at a lower price. If Jake's business struggles, they profit. But if the stock goes up instead, they lose big. Sarah took the smart approach, investing in a good business for the long run. Whether you trade, invest, or explore dividends, understanding the stock market helps you make smarter financial moves. So what's your strategy? If you found this helpful and want to learn more about investing, trading, and business, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay ahead in the world of finance. See you in the next one.